Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining. What a lovely day. Oh no, the fridge is empty. There's only one egg.
One egg? That's not enough for our family. Okay, let's go to buy food from the supermarket.
Yes! Almost there! Yes! I won! Let's go!
Turn down the volume, son. It's too loud.
Okay, Dad. I'll turn it down.
Tom, Anna, come here, please.
Okay, done playing. I'm a little hungry. I'll go get a snack.
Yes, Mom!
What happened?
What happened?
Yes, Mom!
Kids, we need to go to the supermarket today.
The supermarket? Mom, can I get chocolate?
Can I get ice cream, Mom? Please, please, please!
First, we buy what we need. Then, we can buy what we want.
I think Scooby wants to come too.
Okay, but Scooby, you must be a good boy. Okay, let's make a shopping list. What do we need? We need milk.
And apples!
Yeah, apples!
We need eggs, Mommy!
We need bread, Mommy. Please note it.
Of course, sweetie, adding it now.
Yay, bread!
Okay, bread. What else?
We need rice, chicken, vegetables.
And cheese! I love cheese, Mom!
We know you do, sweetie.
Me?
And we need butter and juice, too.
Okay, I'll write them down.
And dog food for Scooby. Of course, dog food noted. Okay, the list is ready. Let's go.
Yay! Let's go!
All right, let's get going then.
Everyone's excited!
Let's go, kids. Remember, always wear your seatbelt when you are in the car.
Yeah! Okay, Daddy!
Okay, Daddy!
Wow! This supermarket is so big! Yeah, it's huge!
It is pretty big.
Let's go inside and see. Okay, everyone stay together. Don't get lost.
Let's go grab a shopping cart.
Scooby?
First, let's get fruit and vegetables.
Mommy, can I have apples?
Of course, sweetie. Let's get some.
Yes. How many apples do we need?
One for Daddy. One for Mommy. One for Tom. One for me.
Very good, Anna. 4 apples.
Mom, I want bananas. It looks so yellow and yummy.
Okay, Tom. We need tomatoes, carrots, and onions.
Let's get some onions
Yay!
and some carrots.
Carrots.
Next, we need milk, cheese, and butter.
Dad, which milk? There are so many.
We need 1 bottle of whole milk.
Got it, Dad. It's too heavy.
Look, Mommy, chocolate milk. Can we get it, please?
Okay, 1 bottle of chocolate milk.
Thank you, Mommy.
And here is the cheese and the butter.
Okay, great. What's next on the list?
eggs and chicken.
He's going for the feet!
Scooby, you can't run in the supermarket.
Rock!
No, stay here.
Okay.
Very good, Scooby. Be a good dog.
The eggs are so fresh.
Wow, they look great. Look, Mommy, the meat is also fresh.
It is.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
All right, 1 milk chocolate and some onions and cheese, butter, dog food, and meat, all set. Your total is $45. Can I pay with my card? Of course, sir. Thank you. Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. We have our own bags.
That's great for the environment. Have a nice day.
Anna, we forgot the chocolate.
And the ice cream, too.
Hey kids, check the bag. Go on, see what's inside.
Wow, chocolates and ice cream!
Yay, this is the best!
Glad you like it. Okay, kids, let's go home now. Kids, always cross the road carefully by holding hands.
Okay, Dad. Got it.
The fridge is full again.
Mommy, please give me my chocolate.
Mommy, I want my ice cream.
Okay, but first wash your hands.
The chocolate is so yummy. Today was so fun.
This ice cream is so yummy and cold. Yay, it's time to learn.
Okay, kids, tell me 3 things you learned today.
Always wear seatbelts in the car.
Always hold hands when you are crossing the road.
Always wash your hands before eating.
Always wash your hands before eating.
Very good, Tom and Anna.
Okay, friends, see you in the next video with great ideas.